How to purify your kidneys, liver, and lungs naturally. Did you know there are 6 organs that support your body's natural detoxification process? The body's 6 organs of detox are the liver, kidneys, lungs, lymph, colon, and skin. Each organ works to eliminate excess waste that's produced by natural metabolic processes, otherwise known as toxins. Here's a guide on how to support each of your detox organs with specific nutrients from food. 1. Liver. This powerful organ cleans the blood and transforms harmful chemicals for eventual excretion. It reigns over all toxins of the body by cleaning and filtering every ounce of blood and metabolizing all chemical substances, even the good kinds. Bitter foods and foods that promote the body's production of internal antioxidants, especially glutathione, are best for liver detoxification. Foods that support liver detoxification include cabbage, broccoli, garlic, beets, salad greens, lemon juice, green apples. Bitter herbs that support liver detoxification include dandelion, yellow dock. 2. Kidneys. The role of your 2 kidneys is to flush waste and toxins from your blood by turning it into urine after it's cleaned by the liver. The kidneys flush water-soluble waste in response to water and electrolyte concentrations. To support detoxification, drink at least 2 quarts of water daily. You can also consume greens, herbs, and teas, which are weak diuretics that promote kidney detox without throwing your electrolytes out of balance. Some foods flush the kidneys and promote healthy blood pressure, and others act as renal tonics to flush extra toxins and prevent bacteria buildup. Foods that support kidney flush: water, parsley, cilantro, green tea, nettle, alfalfa. Renal tonic foods: cranberry, juniper berry. 3. Lungs. Your lungs are responsible for filtering out carbon dioxide, fumes, molds, allergens, and airborne toxins. You can naturally detox your lungs by simply breathing and exhaling deeply. Sleeping soundly without sleep apnea or excessive snoring also promotes lung detox. Use a Himalayan salt pipe or go to the beach to breathe in salt air in order to clean the lungs further. Foods with spicy, pungent flavors and slippery, soothing textures are best for lung detoxification. Foods that support the lungs include black seed, mustard, turnip, radish, wasabi, cayenne. I hope this will help you. Please feel free to ask if you have any questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.